Gavin, but he licked it. Banana, then I split it. Talented and gifted. I guess the table shifted. I'm like a whole brand new bitch. Bitch, I'm butt.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is reviewing a company called LennaBundles. Now I went ahead and purchased the items for myself because I want you guys to feel like I'm not doing an honest review, and I was going to support the company either way because it's my friend's company and I'm so proud of her. She's so very young and she's accomplished so much. And here's a preview of the website. So this is the website. It says LennaBundles. When you first go to click the link, then you're gonna see the bundles that she have to offer, closures, and that's her logo. She have lengths up to 34 inches now and wigs custom made and prepared for you. Enjoy. Sis, this looks professional. This looks so good, and she has bundles up to 34 inches. And today the wig that I'm going to be reviewing is a body inches 13 by 4 lace front wig, and I can't wait to look at the wig and look at the construction of the wig and go through everything with you guys today. So without further ado, if you are interested in seeing this video, you can go ahead and continue watching. If not, then you can go ahead and click off. It's not that hard. Not that hard. You know, if you don't like me, you know, don't watch me. You know, period. Period. So without further ado, let's go on straight into the video, shall we? So the wig came in this. Let me hide my information, and I'm sorry about my fingernails, you know, corona. Okay, so this is the package that it comes in. I did open it, but I didn't look at the wig as yet because I just wanted to make sure that I got the correct length and it was exactly what I ordered. So, and I do see that I got some extra goodies in here. She did tell me that she was going to place some lashes in there, so I can't wait to put those on as well. So let's go straight into the video. Let's not make it long, you know. So this is what the lash came in, and let's open that first. Sealed probably. Okay, and I'm sorry for my hair, okay? I'm not even going downstairs. No. So this is what the lashes came in. Look at the package. This is really good. Look at the packaging. You can see that it says LennaBundles. So nice, and it's sparkly. Look at that. So there's nothing on the back. It just says LennaBundle, and it says where beauty meets expectations on the front, as you can see here. And then these are the lashes that I got. These are simple. It goes with what I'm actually wearing today, so I'm really excited to try these on. That looks nice. So it came with lash glue. Listen, she's not playing, okay? So she has her own lash glue. Let's see. Okay, and it says Lenna's lashes, the glue. That's what it says on the package right here. It's clear, and it has a dough like this. This is the applicator. Yeah, this is gonna be fine, and it's clear. I love that it's clear because I hate waiting on the white to disappear. So this is the wig. Is there anything else in there? No. This is the wig. It comes in a clear bag like this, and it says 4A. Let's see, focus. It says 4A 13 by 4 body wave 24 inches, so it's body wave. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging here. Let's see. And it comes with the net. Ooh. Do you see that already? Do you see? Do you see? Okay. I'm excited. Excited. So, I'm taking it out of the package here. Let me see. It looks like this. Ooh. I'm not getting testing for shedding. I'm getting like so running my fingers through it, seeing if I'm getting shedding. I got like one strand of hair, and that's from her pre-plucking the part, because she did bleach and pre-pluck this part. Listen, full service. I don't have to do nothing. Okay, I don't have to do anything with this wig right now. Okay, Lena girl, I don't know who told you my ass was lazy, but listen. So this is the inside of the wig. It comes with 2 combs at the sides and 1 at the back, at the nape of the wig, and it comes with straps. It is 13 by 4, so the parting is not as deep. But sis, I want you to look into this hairline. Okay, look at this hairline right now. Look at the hairline, and the knots are already pre-bleached, so I don't have to bleach the knots because I don't know how to bleach the knots, and I would have just slapped some makeup on it because I don't know how to bleach the knots. Okay, let's put this out there. I'm not a professional. Okay, do you see
Yeah, let's just put it out there. So this is the hairline. Ooh. And she did tell me that she bleached it, and I'm telling you, this looks so good. Let's see. Girl. Okay, enough of that. Let's
the top of his head. Look at his lips.
And I'm going to tell you, my braiding skills on my own hair is not as good as it's supposed to be. But anyways, okay, so I'm gonna try this wig on right now. Let's see. Oh. Ooh. Listen, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, what? Look at this. Are you seeing this? This is plucked to the gods. Okay? This is pluck to the gods. Huh? I don't know who. Let me install this real quick because you guys don't understand. This is inches right here. Okay? Look. All the way down to my, basically if I straighten this, it's going all the way down to my butt. I'm sorry for my stomach, but it's going all the way down to my butt if I stretch it out. Oof. Look. Girl. Okay. Lena. Sis. what is going on? I don't have to do nothing. Okay, I don't have to do nothing. Do you know how beautiful that is right now? I don't have to do nothing but glue this down and cut the lace off. Okay, so let's get right into installing this, because you don't understand how high I'm excited. Jamaican people know what I'm talking about. Me excited. Look, my friend company, that's not. Let's go into this install real quick. So I'm just gonna be spreading out the glue with my edge brush that I bought from the dollar store, and it comes like this. It's supposed to help swoop your baby hairs, but I like it to spread my glue out. And I put the glue on the ball cap and some on my skin. This glue does not tear up my baby hairs, so I like it because of that. And I've been using it for a while now, so I know it's not going to. So even if it goes on my hair, I'll be fine. Get some 90% alcohol and it will be coming off. So I'm going to be spreading that out evenly. And then I'm gonna allow it to dry. So I got too excited with getting ready to install this wig, and I'm going to be using my True Complexion Black Radiant Cream Contour Kit, and I'm using the dark one, going in with the middle shade here that says Sculpt, and I'm just going to cover the lace front so it matches my complexion even better. And I'm just basically going over the entire front of that lace. Just to make sure it's my exact skin tone, because we want this to melt. Okay, we want it to melt into our skin, and that's what we're gonna do today. So it should look like this after you're finished. So I used my Ghost Bond glue, and I'm just doing 2 layers because I forgot to put my foundation on the lace, so I just went ahead and do that off camera. I'm gonna show you a short clip of me doing that and what I used to color my lace, and we're just gonna make that dry real quick. As soon as it turns clear, you want to go ahead and lay it down. So should be fine. You're just gonna bring it to where you want it to stop. Okay, like that. And I'm going to press it down while I go. As I said before, I'm not an expert, okay? I just know how to glue mine down, and it looks decent when I do it. So don't come for me if I'm doing something wrong. Just let me know so I can improve. Don't try me, because honey, I'll come for your neck, okay? And it's already looking so good, but look at it so far. It's glued down. Okay. And I'm just giving it a firm press. Just pressing that down really quick. Sorry, got into it. And if it does that, don't worry, you can take alcohol and clean that up. So I'm just pressing it down. And the ear tabs, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down really quick for like 10 minutes and let it do its thing. It's just because I'm gonna be reviewing the lash soon, so I'm just tying this lace down as tight as possible so that when we pull it out, it will be melted in my skin. So yeah. All right, so as for the hair, it's really soft, really soft, and I'm not getting any tangling. And the ends look super full. I'm in love with this wig, okay? It looks black, but I think it's a number 2. I don't think it's black, but it looks black on camera. It's a natural color. Yeah, I think it's a number 2 because I'm seeing bits of brown. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. So you can see like bits of brown. It's just the camera. It looks black, but it's not. And I'm gonna be laying this down, having this off for 10 minutes, and then I'll come back when I'm finished.
2 hours later.
So I'm gonna go ahead and start taking away the lace. I'm gonna cut off the lace. So I'm just doing one cut in the middle here. And I'm taking this eyebrow razor and I'm just gonna go up and down. Just going up and then along the hairline. As close as the hairline, as close as I can get it towards the hairline as possible. I'm just taking some hair out that's not needed and I'm cutting that away. And you don't want to go in a straight line, you want to go up and down. And if you're like me that likes sideburns, I'm going to try my best not to cut them off fully, but I'm going to take away some of them. I'm just going to cut it right here. What I'm gonna do for my ear tabs is I'm gonna part around where my ear is and I'm gonna cut that off as well. So this is where my ear is, and I'm gonna take the scissors and cut that off. Just part this all a little bit here. And I'm taking the scissors. Okay, so that's one side, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up around where it needs to be cleaned, and I'm gonna be cutting the other side off. Dark hair in a while. Okay, so I'm combing out the ends and I'm going out. This hair is so soft and bouncy, like look, like it's so bouncy and it doesn't feel heavy at all. I think that's my fingers. Yeah, the glue got on my finger and stuck in the hair. But it's so soft. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this up again and wait again for about 5 minutes and see how much we can make this look even better. I'm wondering if I should do baby hairs or don't do baby hairs, but we're gonna see. I'm probably gonna be putting some baby hairs in. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put some spritz. This is the liquid mousse. This is the liquid mousse super hold spritz hairspray, and I normally put this on my lace, like just the front of it, when I'm gonna tie it down, because it, trust me, listen, when I tell you, this will make your lace melt. This is going to make your lace melt, okay, into your skin. So I'm just tapping that. I don't want to disturb it too much because it is liquid, and liquid and glue does not mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie that back down with my silk scarf, and I'll come back when I'm taking it off. So so we can go ahead and style this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this off now. It should be fine. Let's see. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and try to style this, and I told you the spritz, this is not going nowhere, okay? That spritz is life. This right here, it says Fantasia Liquid Mousse Super Hold Sprit Hairspray. It says 30% more holding power, and it freezes hair in place. So I would suggest getting a bottle of this to complete your laying process. Listen, look at this. Do you see this? I don't even have to do anything to it, but I'm extra. So we're gonna go ahead and define the part and see how we can style this, okay? So I have a side part thing going on here that I kind of like, and this is a 13 by 4, so it's not a lot of parting space, but I can show you how, and it still looks like a lot though. Look, I can show you how to get a nice looking curved part with a 13 by 4 lace closure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part the hair out. Look at that scalp. Who can do hair? Me? I don't even have to do anything to this, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna try and see how it would look in the center part. Sis, hold on. What? I think I'm loving the center part. What do you or this side? What 13 by 4 wig do you see do this? Okay, I'll wait. Who is that? Like, listen. Who? Ooh. I'm loving the side parts, okay? And I'm gonna see how she looks with some baby hairs, even though she don't need it right now. She doesn't need it. But let's see what she's working with. I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and purchase y'all wigs right now. And I have a discount code. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for you guys. I'm so excited for me, because most definitely we'll be purchasing more, sweetie. All my checks, all my bag. You can get it, take it. So let me see. That's how far it parts to. Let's put back some of that. We don't need to be showing any tracks. You can part it on this side. You can do a center part, of course. can, ooh, that center part looks nice. Okay, you can do side parting. And once again, this hair is super soft. You can customize your order. So if you want it to come as is and you prefer to do that yourself, then she won't do anything to it. She'll just make the wig and ship it out to you. Or if you want pre-made wigs, she already has those as well. She'll just basically ship the wigs out to you. I love the service that she has. Like, I literally called her in the middle of like waiting for the lace to melt, and I was like, yo, she was telling me that she's literally plucking a wig, custom making a wig for her customers right now. Like, who does that? Single owned website, single owned company. Who does that? Who has the time to sit down and pre-plug every single order? Because sweetie, I don't. I would not. I'm telling you, I would not. Okay, I would not. Sorry, but I just would not. Okay, but she pre-plucked this, she bleached it. I didn't have to pluck a strand out of this wig, not one strand. And I'm running my fingers through it, combing it out, and I'm not seeing any shedding, literally none. Like, she probably brushed it out already, because there's no shedding. Like, where? Sweetie, I'm so cute right now. So I have my hot comb heating up. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and put on the lashes that she sent me. Let me show you. So it says LennaBundles. Look at the packaging. Like, I live for her packaging. Okay, this is so cute. It has gold accents, like it magnetic lock. Like, it's so nice. And she has her own lash glue. She's covering all bases for you guys. This is a one-stop shop. Okay, one-stop shop. So I'm gonna be showing you all where I get my products from. Everything I order, if you guys ask about it, I'm going to make a video for you, I promise you. So this is how the lash looks. Before, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the lash glue on. It's clear, so I'm praying that it's super good, because then I would have a new glue. You're gonna have to come good. Like, you have to come really good if you want to exchange my duo for a new lash glue. So let's see. Listen, I can't get over this. I don't even have to style it, but I just want to style it to show you guys that you can style this, and it's already, like, it's so pretty. I don't even want to, but I don't know how long it takes to dry, so that's why I'm like blowing on it. And as you know, I don't use tweezers to put my lashes on because I can't. So let's see. So I just want to define the part to the side that we want it to be, like that side. I'm gonna go ahead and do and I'm gonna be taking my wax stick. This is the She So Bomb collection hair wax stick. Looks like that. It's not my favorite wax stick, but it really does work. I press it down. Just make sure everything is laying down. The flyaways is laying down. These here. And then I'm going to take the hot comb and press that down. And do the same for this side until you get the look that you want. Be careful not to burn your ears because I almost burned my ears. So I'm just pressing that down until I can see the part being very defined. And I just take like the back of the comb and I just press down because sometimes doing this can put too much heat through the hair. I don't like doing it because it can touch my skin. It's touching me. I just feel like it's gonna burn me, okay? So I just pass it through, press it down so it stays down. And for the front, I'm just gonna do that. Yep. Pressing that down. I don't necessarily have to curl this hair, and I'm not going to because I don't need to, but I'm going to be adding baby hairs. Just like that. I love how this hair is forming. I love that little hump. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself that hump here. And how I do that normally is I take the edge of the comb and I just bend it like that. So it comes over like that. So I'm just gonna take out some baby hairs. So I'm taking, the less you take out is the more realistic it looks. The more you take out is the more it looks fake and forced. So I had to learn that the hard way too. So this is the amount of baby hairs I'll be using today. And for this side, I'm doing the same thing, like the smallest amount of hair. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my eyebrow comb. And I'm gonna make it like an inch long. Yeah. Now I like to use my mousse, but I don't know what my mousse is. So I'm going to use the liquid. Let me get my edge tamer. So the edge tamer I'm using is the Edge Boost. And I'm gonna go ahead and slick down my edges. my baby hair. Okay. And I don't like to see, like, seeing that cut weird baby hair look, because it doesn't look natural to me. Like, nobody's baby hairs look like that in real life unless you cut it like that. But I mean, everybody has their own preference, but I just don't like seeing it like that. So I'm just doing my little baby hairs. And I like to use this comb instead of the edge brush. I don't know, I'm old school. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same for this side. So I don't want a lot, so I'm basically taking like 2 strands of hair, and I'm taking a little bit of my edge tamer because it has oil in it, so I don't want to disturb the glue. So this is how the hair turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today. I hope you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. I have more hair videos coming, more hair reviews. If you like this type of videos, let me know so I can go ahead and purchase more wigs if you like, where you would like for me to purchase wigs so you could see the quality before buying. So it's basically my coins doing a review for you. See what I'm saying? I got you, sis. I got you, bro. I got you. So just let me know, and I would much appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like the video, and comment down below what's your thought on the wig and what you thought on my install, because I know some people's gonna be like, oh, you did this wrong, but at the end of the day it came out decent. So I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of my friend. Please go ahead and check out her website and follow her on Instagram. I'm going to be putting her Instagram name right here. And I will be linking her information down below and the website where you can go ahead and purchase this wig. I have an option for you to pre-pluck the parting and the frontal, and she also have an option to bleach the knot. So if you want those additional services, please contact her. She will do that for you, and she will give you, of course, the additional price. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. I'm out.